Hey guys, it's very easy to work from anywhere around the world today. So it's very important for you to know the tools available for you to be able to work remotely, especially right now. But even if when the pandemic ends and if you want to travel, if you want to start your own business and you want to be able to work from anywhere around the world, it's actually very simple, and I'm going to show you how. Because many people think like, oh, what is the cloud? Or like, oh, what if I lose my computer and everything's on my laptop? Or what if somehow all my accounts get hacked and all that stuff? So I just use this laptop and I don't move anywhere. I don't use anything else. But actually, you're quite limiting yourself by doing that, because today everything works in the cloud. Anything, Google, Google Drive, Dropbox. I don't know, anything. You can use anything. Right now, you can, if you're using an app, if you're using some kind of thing on your computer to help you manage your documents or manage emails, etc., even your coworkers, talk with them, you can use it anywhere around the world. As long as you're using it on the internet, you can immediately think that you are able to use it anywhere. As long as you have an internet connection, and you can even use your friend's laptop for like 10 minutes and you log in. Anything with a login that you have, that you created, you can go into that site and then you can just use it. Like me, for example, I have everything with a Mac. So the Mac has iCloud, and as long as I go to anywhere around the world, even if it's not a Mac, and I go to iCloud.com and then I sign in, I can use it and I can look at everything that I have. There's even the capability of looking at what I have on my desktop, even if my laptop's not even on. So that's incredible. So in a sense, if I need to, if I have to go, I don't know, right now to Alaska or right now to Russia, as long as I have some sort of laptop from someone that allows me to use it, I can log into iCloud, I can log into my Google Drive, I can log into my Dropbox, and I have no reason to bring any of my equipment at all. Of course, you want to bring your stuff, maybe it's faster, etc. But it doesn't leave you tied down, especially if you get robbed or you have your laptop stolen, etc. As long as you have your secure password, etc., you can just lock your computer. Maybe you get it back, but even if you don't, it doesn't matter, because you can go and get another computer and everything is right there for you, like Microsoft To Do, even all the Microsoft 365 platform that allows you to use Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, everything right there on the web. You don't need to download anything. You don't need to buy anything. So this is something that I recommend to any businessman, to stop storing everything on an external hard drive. You can do that right there on the web with Google, with Dropbox, with there's many out there. But start getting more into it. Start learning. Like Google Drive is free, 100% free. Dropbox is free. Microsoft To Do, to keep all your tasks, all your password, etc. It is absolutely free. And I'm going to leave a link in the description for all of them, links for them, and you can just start using them right now. You have them already. If you have a Gmail account, you have Google Drive. If you have a Microsoft account, you have you should have everything available, especially Microsoft To Do, and you can start learning about it right now. Just open up drive.google.com and you have all the things at your disposal. You can share them with your friends. You can even collaborate. Everything is free for you, especially if you're a business owner. And if you're doing work for school, etc., even better. You got it you get it all in there. So I encourage you to get in there. And if you're already using, which one is your favorite cloud platform? Tell me in the description. I'd love to know. And yeah, so I hope that this helped to broaden your view of all the options that you have, and that it'll help you become even more effective. And also, if you want to go even further and learn a lot about internet marketing and how to promote yourself online for free, we have an ebook in the description. It's completely free of charge, and it'll help you learn a ton of stuff for marketing and promoting yourself online. All right, see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.